the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, let's open it up. There.
But you're done.
Oh, you gotta open this one too.
You gotta open the
They might
next
go
one.
together. Here, open that one and then we can play with the ball.
Drag it
Yeah.
over.
Bring it over here, I'll help you. Alright. This is from Adam and Giselle too. Huh? Yeah, you gotta open this one. Here. Tear it open.
Rip it.
Rip it. Pull hard. Alright.
Gumball?
There's
No,
gumball.
there's play ball.
Huh?
Your play ball. So you can play with all your balls.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Cool, huh?
Open it up.
Alright.
Open it up.
Hold on.
Should we play with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Alright.
From this out.
Alright, hold on.
Take a milk teacher. Take a milk teacher. Take a milk teacher. Take a milk teacher.
Oh my